need people with a tree nut allergy to help me out. I'm studying for a botany exam and I'm so confused on why people are allergic to tree nuts when, first off, none of them are nuts.
Hi, my name is Dr. Rubin. I'm a board-certified allergist. First off, good luck on your botany test. I hope it goes well. I'm going to provide some clarifying information here. So there's a difference between the botanical definition of a nut, which is a hard-shelled fruit that doesn't have to crack open to release its seed like an acorn, and the culinary or allergenic definitions of tree nuts, which we classically think of as almonds, cashews, pistachios, walnuts, pecan, hazelnuts, Brazil nuts, and macadamia nuts. Many of those aren't true nuts. They're actually drupes, where you have a fleshy outer covering, then you have a hard inner layer, and then the seed itself. So walnuts, if you've ever gone and picked them out of the wild, you would see that classically. I did some foraging recently and found some black walnuts, and I had to smash open the fibrous layer, let it dry out, and then you crack the hard shell before you actually see the seed, which is the walnut itself. Now, from an immunologic perspective, several of these tree nuts, when people are allergic to them, they're allergic to a specific seed storage protein like profilins, lipid transfer proteins, or albumins as an example. And some of the protein structures do have similarities between each other, and the immune system may consider two different tree nuts as the same in this process called cross-reactivity. The classic examples are cashews and pistachios, and then walnuts and pecans. But most people who actually have a tree nut allergy are not allergic to all of the tree nuts. About 60 to 80% of people who have a tree nut allergy can tolerate one or more tree nuts, but it's rare to completely outgrow and have all the tree nut allergies resolve for individuals who are dealing with this. The issue becomes the management of tree nut allergy, which is that the labels on food products often just say contains tree nuts, and it may not necessarily state which specific tree nut that we're talking about. And there's concerns about cross-contamination, where even a small amount of residue could get onto a food product and lead to an allergic reaction at small doses. Therefore, many people who have a tree nut allergy are afraid to try other tree nuts. But if it's something that you're curious about, it's important to talk to an allergist to get an entire evaluation in order to see if you are willing and interested to try one or more tree nuts based on what the evaluation shows.